It's a scene you can find anywhere across the country. Young people participating in sports. But is enough being done to ensure the safety of these athletes? According to recent statistics, 120 people die each year as a result of a sports-related injury, with cardiac arrest, heat stroke, and concussions the leading causes. Many experts feel there is a sports safety crisis in America affecting all levels of competition, from preschool to professional athletics. And without taking effective action to alleviate these problems, the numbers will continue to rise.
When responding to the scene of a sports-related injury, it's most common to find athletes suffering from heat stroke, concussions from head injuries, or the worst case scenario is an athlete that has gone into cardiac arrest. If a player goes down, you want to be able to keep that player alive until the paramedics have arrived, which is on average about 10 minutes. As a paramedic, I found the best way to prevent sports-related injuries and death are having a pre-screening of athletes prior to their participation in sporting events for any health-related problems. Having an automated external defibrillator present at the time of a sporting event, and having staff such as coaches and assistant coaches or trainers that have CPR or first aid training.
To reduce the number of preventable sports fatalities in America, it's important that coaches and organizers take the proper safety precautions, and the National Sports Safety Organization is leading the way, offering products, programs, and resources that can reduce these athlete injuries and deaths.
Our mission at National Sports Safety Organization is to ensure that all sports organizations, from preschool to professional athletes, have a comprehensive sports safety program in place. My wife and I started National Sports Safety Organization in honor of our son, Rashidi Wheeler, who died August 3rd, 2001 during a football conditioning drill. My wife and I are convinced that had a sports safety kit, including an AED, an automatic external defibrillator, been available when our son went down on the football practice field, he may be alive today. It is our goal and our objective to see that this never happens again. And we hope that no other parent has to go through what we went through.
The NSSO programs provide schools and organizations with a recommended list of equipment, personnel, and procedures that should be in place to achieve a high level of sports safety performance.
Some of the benefits people get when they join National Sports Safety Organization are our quarterly Sports Safety USA magazine, discounts on a variety of sports, health, and safety products, access to CPR and first aid training classes, and health screening services that can pre-screen athletes.
Many injuries can be prevented because of proper screening, such as physical examinations, which will hopefully let us know if the kid has maybe sickle cell trait, diabetes, asthmatic conditions, even pre-existing heart conditions. Myself as an athletic trainer, as well as the coaches and the administration, we can hopefully prevent some of these things because these kids are going to train, they're going to stay hydrated, and they're going to do the right things. But at the same time, if we don't know the proper screening with these kids, many times a tragedy can occur. We don't want that to happen.
This is the NSSO Sports Safety Kit, what every team deserves. Designed by the National Sports Safety Organization in conjunction with paramedics, it contains everything needed to protect athletes on the playing field and in the gym in the event of an injury until first responders arrive, including an automatic external defibrillator.
The Sports Safety Kit was designed with paramedics to include all the necessary items needed to keep a person alive until the paramedics get there.
When a defibrillator is available, the chances of survival increases significantly. National Sports Safety Organization is dedicated to providing a comprehensive kit that will have a defibrillator available during all sporting events and practices.
The Sports Safety Kit, which was designed by paramedics in conjunction with the National Sports Safety Organization, gives the best possible chance of reducing or preventing sports-related injuries.
I believe all sports organizations from preschool to the pros should partner with National Sports Safety Organization to develop a comprehensive sports safety program. With the ease of AEDs or automated external defibrillators, they can potentially save tens of thousands of lives.
It's important to have a defibrillator on hand during a sporting event because if an athlete goes into cardiac arrest, the chances of successfully returning to a normal heart rhythm diminishes by 10% each minute. And 80% of cardiac arrests are caused by ventricular fibrillation, for which defibrillation is the only effective treatment.
We're very much concerned about providing quality medical and comprehensive programs for our kids and our fans. The National Sports Safety Organization has allowed us to really evaluate our particular situation here. They've allowed us the flexibility to look at our facility and where will the best places be for us to distribute the defibrillators and have them in situations that are best going to serve our students, fans at our events, the community, and whatever else that takes place on our campus.
The National Sports Safety Organization is working very hard to get legislation passed to ensure that all sporting events, practice or games, have an automatic external defibrillator available. We want to make sure that athletes have access to healthcare professionals who are trained in CPR, first aid, and AED, and can make proper assessments on the field in the case of an injury.
As an administrator, we will certainly recommend this program to other administrators, other venues, other athletic directors. We don't think that there is anything better than what the National Sports Safety Organization has to offer.
Protecting America's athletes is our #1 goal. The National Sports Safety Organization is dedicated to athletes everywhere. Together, we can improve sports safety across America. The Sports Safety Kit is what every team deserves.
Learn more about this National Clearinghouse for Sports Safety Information and Resources, the National Sports Safety Organization. Together, we can improve sports safety across America. For more information, go to nssousa.org or call the number on your screen.